Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, all you wonderful, beautiful painters. I am so blessed to be back. If you follow my channel, you know that it's been a couple of rough moments recently. In the past 6 months, I have lost one of my beloved dogs. I lost my amazing and wonderful and absolutely so missed father. And then not long after that, I had a very serious shoulder surgery. So I am out of my sling and I am back to starting my rehab on my shoulder. And now I can finally get back to painting. I have enough movement, enough strength in my shoulder and my arm that I can mix paints and that kind of thing. So I actually tried to do a video last week and went to record, and my phone no longer recorded videos because it was old. And so I had to get a new phone. So now here we are, new phone, rehabbing shoulder, and we are going to paint. So we are going to do a bloom swipe today. Originally I had something else planned, but I was working on some gaming dice for my other channel and for my business, The Nerd Den, getting ready for Comic Con. And I was getting some game dice done and put these two colors together, and I just loved them. So I was like, you know what, that's, as I roll dice, let me see, what did I roll? I rolled a 2 and I rolled an 8. Okay. So what we're going to be using today are going to be pigments. So this is going to be all pigments. The pigments we're going to be using is this little Piggy Frost. I love this color. This little Piggy Sapphire. This is DecoArt Pyrrole Pigments Interference Blue. So those are going to be our colors today. Our base is actually the Bare Premium Plus. Let me grab it for you. So this is the Bare Premium Plus Interior Flat, Deep Base 1300. This is super thick, so I had to mix it with some Floetrol and a little bit of water to get the consistency you want. Remember, when you're doing your pillow paint, it's whatever your preference is. Some people like it like molasses, super thick. I don't. I want a little bit more movement, so I added a little bit of Floetrol and some water just to get to the thickness that I wanted. Our mixture for our pigments, we're using the this is the Sherwin-Williams Infinity, the interior semi gloss, base C. Make sure it is base C. That is what I've had the best luck with. It is untinted. I mix that with some polycrylic to make my pouring medium, and then I mix my pigments in. All of the mixture ratios are down in the description. And then our cell activator, or what we're going to be using to swipe today. So when I was ordering this little Piggy stuff, I will put that link down in the description of where I got it. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I really like their product and I want to share. I was actually able to get a little ball of Australian Floetrol. So we are going to try that today. I've had great luck with my cell activator recipe, but I want to see all the hubbub is about. So I went ahead and got that, and we are trying that out today. And of course, that is mixed with our Amsterdam titanium white. Again, all of the mixture ratios are down in the description. So I'm going to put all of this stuff away and kind of clear off my workspace a little bit. All right, we are going to be using this to swipe with today. I was going to use the bigger one, but because this is a smaller canvas, I want a little bit more control. We're going to drink some coffee, and we are going to get started. All right, well, that was a complete fail of a swipe, but I have to say I actually really like the way it turned out. It kind of represents where I feel I am right now, which is just lost at sea. Trying to balance our grief and recovery and 2 nonprofits and a business and a full-time job and a family and a husband that is learning a new job. And yeah, so while this was a complete and utter fail as a swipe, once we tilted it, I actually really like the way this looks, and this will probably end up hanging in my office because I kind of really like it. So again, you may not like it. You probably will never watch another one of my videos again because this was a complete failure, but sometimes we have to have failure to get to where we're going. And so normally I wouldn't post this video, but I'm going to today because maybe you're a beginning artist or a beginning paint pourer or beginning whatever you're doing, and you've had fail after fail after fail after fail, and know that that's okay. Sometimes you have to fail to be able to learn and grow and get to where you will succeed. So I can guarantee you that every single paint pourer on YouTube, all of the ones that have gone viral, who are famous, who are doing conventions and all of that, they have had fails. And it's just a part of it. So sometimes you will do a painting like this, and sometimes you will do something like this that are beautiful. Sometimes you will use your own recipe instead of somebody else's, and you will have something like that. So just know that failure is a part of this process. It is a part of the journey. And whenever you find your own groove and what works for you, you will make gorgeous and beautiful things like this. So know that sometimes this comes from this. So don't get discouraged. Keep that in mind. I really feel in my heart that God is telling me to post this today because somebody out there needs to hear you are not a failure. You are good at what you do. Sometimes things don't work, but the next time you paint, it could be your masterpiece. So thank you very much for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed day. I hope everybody had a wonderful and blessed Easter. And remember, God loves you. He is always there. And when the times get your hardest, drop to your knees and pray. Because he is always there to listen, and he will always answer your prayers. He may not answer them the way that you want him to, but he will answer them. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share even this beautiful failure. I hope everybody has a wonderful, beautiful day. Go check us out on Facebook at Paint Pouring for Christ, a place where like-minded individuals can come together and just share their art and love and pray on and pray for each other and be there for each other and love on God. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I am happy to be back. I promise I will do better next time. But yeah, so thank y'all and God bless.